Hi friends, today we'll see one of the topic in digital electronics, which is consensus theorem. Let us simplify this expression. Simplify AB plus A bar C plus BC, and directly we cannot minimize this expression. So let us simplify this expression using some other procedure. So AB plus A bar C plus, I am writing here BC dot 1. Since BC is multiplying with 1, we can write BC dot 1, and after that AB plus A bar C plus, I am writing this one as A plus A bar, which is equal to AB plus A bar C plus ABC plus A bar BC. Now consider these two terms. After considering these two terms, AB is common. So AB into 1 plus C we can write. Similarly, consider second and fourth term, which is A bar C is common. So A bar C into 1 plus B. 1 plus C is equal to 1 and 1 plus B is equal to 1. Finally, we are getting AB plus A bar C. So from these two, from the given expression, after simplifying, we are getting AB plus A bar C. So this theorem is called consensus theorem. And initially the expression is having three terms, which is having all the variables A, B, and C in the different form. But after simplifying, one of the term gets eliminated. One of the term gets eliminated. That means BC is eliminated after simplifying. That the term which is eliminated after simplifying, that is called redundant term, which is removed. Redundant term. Now how to observe which expression that is related to consensus theorem? There is a procedure for that. How to identify that which expression is, whether the given expression is consensus or not. That is a procedure for that. The procedure for identifying the consensus theorem is, first, the number of variables are 3. Obviously, in the above expression, the number of variables are 3, and those variables are A, B, and C. And the second step is, each variable is using twice. Each variable is used twice. That means 2 times each variable is used, and that means A comma A bar, B comma A bar, C comma C bar. These are the possible. So the possible combinations are AB, BC, AC. If you observe these three terms, each variable is used twice. So here A is used in this term and this term. Similarly, B is used in these two terms and C is used in these two terms. That means each variable is using twice. And after each using variable is 2 times, and one of the variable is complemented. Only one variable is complemented. Only one variable is complemented. Complemented means you are getting A bar. In the above expression, you are having like this. One term is AB and other term is A bar C and third term is BC. So here all the variables are used twice, and the first step is also satisfied, the number of variables are 3, and third step is only one variable is complemented. That means the variable A is complemented. Okay, so AB plus A bar C plus BC. Using consensus theorem, the simplified expression is AB plus A bar C. BC is removed, BC is eliminated. So how to write directly? The shortcut is, the variable which is complemented, the variable which is presented in the complemented form, that should be present in the output. If you observe here, A is presented in the complemented form. So the other term A should be present in the output. So AB plus A bar C should be present in the output. That's why the answer is AB plus A bar C, and remove the redundant term BC. Again explain, the variable which is complemented should be present in the output. So here in the given question, the variable a is presented both in the uncomplemented form and complemented form. That should be present in the final expression, and the term which is bc, which is not presented like this, it should be removed, or this term is redundant term. Similarly, this is one form. Sometimes directly this expression will not given in the examination. Some other forms you may get in the examination like this: ab plus bc bar plus ac. Let us see the three steps. The first step is, there are three variables abc, and each and every variable is used two times, and only one variable is complemented, like the c bar is c is present in the complemented form and uncomplemented form. So this should be this should be present in the output. So ab is the redundant term, that should be removed. So after simplifying, you are getting the output like this. And let us see one more expression, one more form: ab plus b bar c plus ac. So what is the final expression for this? The variable which is presented both in the complemented form and uncomplemented form should be present in the output. So here b is present in the uncomplemented and complemented form. This should be present in the output. That means b term should be present in the output, and remaining terms should be eliminated or redundant. So ac is the redundant term, and that should be removed, and the output should be ab plus b bar c. So in the above questions, the terms are given in the sum of the product terms. But in one of the ESC examination, or the previous ESC examination or IES examination, the question is given like this: a plus b dot a bar plus c dot b plus c. So here the question is given in the POS form, but this is one of the application of consensus theorem. Using consensus theorem, we have to write the output. So if you observe in the given question, there are three variables. There are three variables a, b, and c, and all the variables are occurring twice, two times: a bar, b and b, c and c. And what is the procedure we learned in the above topic? The variable which is presented in the both complemented and uncomplemented form should be present in the output, and the remaining term, the third term, should be removed or redundant term. So the same procedure we will follow here. If you observe in the above question, the variable a is present both in the uncomplemented and complemented form. That means these terms are present in the output. So after simplifying, the simplified expression for the above question is a plus b dot a bar c. This b plus c is the removed term, it should be removed. And similarly, you may get like this. One more question, let us solve. A plus b dot b plus c bar dot a plus c. So after knowing all the previous expressions, directly you can write. That means the variable c is present both in the complemented and uncomplemented form. That should be present in the output. And so what is the term you are removing? A plus b you are removing, and that term is called as redundant term. And let us see one more form of consensus theorem, that the other way of asking the question like this: a bar b bar plus b bar c bar plus a c bar. This is also another way of asking the very tricky question. Okay, so if you observe let us learn the same procedure. Let us recollect the same procedure. There are three variables, and all the variables are occurring twice: a bar and a, b bar and b bar, and c bar and c bar. So here, how to simplify this expression? The variable which is present both in the complemented and uncomplemented form, that should be present in the output. If you keenly observing these three terms, a is present both in the uncomplemented form and complemented form. That means those two terms should be present in the output: a bar plus b bar plus a c bar. That means you are removing this b bar c bar term, and the term is the redundant term. And one more way of asking the same consensus theorem, like this. Again, this is also in the piecewise form. Can you guess the answer? I'm writing directly the answer. B bar plus C into A bar plus C bar. Why? Because C is presented both in the complemented and uncomplemented form. So we have to remove this third term. Okay. And let us move on to the next theorem. Very small one. Let us simplify this. A plus B into A bar plus C. So when you multiply this, A dot A bar is 0. After that, AC plus A bar B plus BC. We're getting like this. So after seeing this expression, again the same consensus theorem we are getting. So after simplify, how to simplify using consensus theorem? The term which is present both in the complemented and uncomplemented. So this after simplifying, we are getting AC plus A bar B. We are eliminating BC. Why? Because using consensus theorem, we are removing the third term BC. Okay. So whenever you are getting a term like this, the shortcut is A plus B into A bar plus C. If you are carefully observing these two terms, these two sum terms, the first variable A, in this the first variable is A bar. So whenever the first variables are like this, in this is in uncomplemented form and here the variable is complemented form. So whenever you are come across like this, just multiply this A with the other term C and multiply this A bar with B. So the answer is AC plus A bar B. Okay. So whenever the first variables in the given term differing, do not multiply those two. Multiply with the other. Multiply with the other. Okay, this is one of the shortcut uh, while multiplying the expression wherever it is required. Okay. So let us implement the same. Let us simplify this. A plus B dot A bar plus B bar. It is in the above step like this. So it is to be multiplied like this. A is to multiply B bar and A bar is to be multiplied with B. It should be AB bar plus A bar B. And next one more theorem, the last one, very simple theorem. De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem is AB C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar, and similarly A plus B plus C bar is equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar. Many times while simplifying the expression, we will use this De Morgan's theorem. The complement of the product term is equal to sum of the complements. Similarly, the complement of the sum term is equal to product of the complement of the variables. So ABC whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar, and A plus B plus C whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar. So I hope you understand these topics till now. Thank you. If you're having any doubts, post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you.